Hello, if you happen to be a student in the UK and you're in need of a gaming laptop, this is quite the offer. You get the Ryzen 7 4800H with RTX 2060, and better even, you get 16 gigabytes with half a terabyte of SSD storage. This is a good price, considering I bought mine for about 980. This is a steal, I think. So yeah, just wanted to let you know it's an offer, and you should definitely jump onto it. I wouldn't recommend going for the 1660 Ti at this price point, because you get the additional 16 gigabytes and the better GPU, and with the advent of DLSS and and all that stuff, ray tracing will actually be visible, even though it's not going to be okay at high settings, but it's nice to have it there. So yeah, it's a nice price. If you're in the UK, jump.